Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Abhishek InfoTech. Friends, in today's time the craze of digital and online work is increasing rapidly. From this, it appears that in the coming time, almost all work will start being done online. All businesses are gradually going online. If we sell anything online or earn money online through digital means, then it is called digital marketing. In this modern time, digital marketing is progressing a lot. People are growing their businesses rapidly from their homes. In such a situation, the need for freelancing is increasing. People are making their work at home easier with the help of freelancing. People are able to do the work as per their needs on freelancing websites and are earning money. It is not that we are earning any small amount. People from all over the world are earning lakhs. If you have skills, then you can make a very good career in freelancing. This is not just a matter of saying. If you search on the internet what is the average annual income of a full-time freelancing or what is the average monthly income, you will not believe the results you will see after that. Here people are able to earn monthly income in lakhs sitting at home. With its help, you can also make a very good career in freelancing. Although there are many freelancing websites available, among these, people like Fiverr more, because people are able to buy and sell easily here. In such a situation, many people want to connect on Fiverr. However, many people have confusion in creating buyer and seller accounts. Because of this, many people are not able to create a Fiverr account. But now you don't need to worry too much, because here all your problems will end. So you will be able to work on Fiverr in a better way and earn more money. So let us know how to create a buyer and seller account on Fiverr. How to create a Fiverr buyer account. Friends, to join Fiverr, first of all, we have to create a buyer account, and creating a Fiverr buyer account is the easiest. For this, we have to go to the official website of Fiverr, whose link you will find in the description and comment box of this video. By clicking on that link, you will reach the official website of Fiverr. Once you reach the Fiverr website, click on the Join button present in the top corner. After that, a new page opens for you. Here you are asked to sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, or direct email account. Here you can sign up with any option. We are signing up with Google here. For this, click on the option Continue with Google and log in with your email account. After this, you will reach the new page. Here you are asked to create your username and password. One thing to keep in mind here is that you have to create a unique username. It is always visible in your profile and anyone can see it. Therefore, you should create a username that sounds a little professional. You can create a username according to your name, or you can create a username according to your skill. For example, if your name is David, then the username should be something like this: David123, David Graphics, or you can create the username according to your skill. Like if your skill is video editing, the username should be something like this: Creative Video Editor, Video Editing Zone, etc. Keep in mind that the username should never sound unprofessional. Such usernames as Cool David, Stylish David, David Rock should never be created. After this, your Fiverr buyer account is ready. Here you can get your work done by someone else as per your need. By clicking on the search option, you can find the gig as per your requirement and buy them. How to create a Fiverr seller account. Friends, creating a Fiverr seller account is also very easy. If you want to hire someone on Fiverr for your business or for any work, then you will not need to create a Fiverr seller account. But if you have a good skill and want to earn money according to that skill, then for this you need to create a seller account, where you can create gigs according to your skill. So let us know how to create a Fiverr seller account. Friends, to create a Fiverr seller account, you have to click on the profile icon present in the top right corner. After that, you will see the option of Become a Seller. As soon as you click on that option, a new page opens. It provides 4 types of guides, which tell you how you can create a successful seller profile. Here you also get a video guide. You can see them, or without seeing them, you can click on the Continue button given below. After that, a new page opens. Here you have to select all the mandatory things. Keep in mind that always include things here according to your skills. Only then can you become a successful seller. After this, you have to create a complete seller profile. Here you have to tell all your personal information. First of all, you have to enter a clear profile photo of yourself. Keep in mind that here you should enter a photo that is professional and good looking. After this, you have to give a description of yourself. Here you can give complete information about your profession and your skills. After this, you will get the option to select a language. Here you select your native language and select English as fluent or native. You can select the remaining 1 or 2 languages as conversational. Among these, you can select Spanish or French. Now you might be thinking that I don't know Spanish or French. Then if I get Spanish or French orders, how will I communicate with them? You don't need to worry about this. If you get Spanish or French orders or orders in any language, then use Google Translate. For this, you can search Google Translate on Google, or you can also download the app on your phone. After this, you have to tell your skills. Here you select only one skill from a Fiverr account in which you have good experience. This creates a good image for the buyer. After that, you have to mention your education, skill certificates, and website. After that, you have to add your social media account. Keep in mind that no section should remain empty. You must put some something there as per your choice. This makes a good impression. After this, you have to verify with email and personal phone number for security. Only after this your seller profile will be complete. After completing the Fiverr seller profile, you have to go to your profile and take a test. To get more orders on Fiverr, it is necessary to take this test and pass the test. To pass these tests you have to score a minimum of 60% marks. Here you must give at least one test according to your selected skill and try to get 60% marks. If you fail the test, you can take the same test again within 24 hours. If you fail again, you can take the test again after 3 months. Here you are given 3 months time so that you can learn the skills well and improve your skills in 3 months. You will not need to go anywhere else to learn the skill. You can learn any skill from Fiverr's learning platform, Fiverr Learn. Here you will get all the tutorials as per your needs. You can learn any of these skills and improve yourself. To know Fiverr Learn better, you will find the link to the video in the description. Along with this, you will also get the link to the blog content. By clicking on any of these links, you can know Fiverr Learn better. From here, after learning the skill, you can take the test again. In this way your complete Fiverr seller profile is ready. After this, you can attract your clients by creating great gigs and getting more orders. Friends, I have created a complete video and blog content on how you can get more orders by creating great gigs. You will find their link in the description of this video. Friends, in this way you can create your Fiverr account and set up your complete profile. With this, you can make your work easier by hiring anyone. Apart from this, you can take new orders by selling gigs and earn more and more money. Thank you very much.